Imagine you're looking for a reliable partner to help you build your dream aircraft. That's what Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, one of India's largest aerospace companies, does every day. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is more than just a manufacturer, it's a full-service provider that designs, develops, manufactures, and services everything from basic trainer planes to high-tech military jets. They've been in business for over 80 years, and their expertise has earned them a reputation as one of the best in the world. But what makes Hindustan Aeronautics Limited so special? For starters, they're home to some of the most advanced aircraft and systems in India, including the iconic HT-42 trainer jet. And with over 2,000 employees, it's clear that they've got a talented team working hard every day. As for their financials, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has been performing well lately. Their market capitalization is around $32 billion, which gives them a strong position on the stock exchange. And with a profit margin of just 2.7%, they're doing exceptionally well considering their industry and competition. But what really sets Hindustan Aeronautics Limited apart is their commitment to innovation. They've got state-of-the-art facilities and equipment, and are investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. It's no wonder they're one of the most sought-after suppliers in the aerospace industry. So why should investors care? For starters, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has a track record of paying consistent dividends, which is always a good sign for investors looking for steady returns. And with a beta of 0.75, their stock price is relatively stable, not too volatile and not too predictable. Plus, they've got a solid market capitalization to back up their performance. But what really gets me excited about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is their potential for growth. With a significant increase in earnings over the past year, it's clear that they're on track to do even more impressive things in the future. And with a price-to-book ratio of just 9.3%, they're trading at a reasonable valuation considering their industry and performance. So if you're looking for a reliable partner who can help you build your next big thing, whether it's an aircraft, a spaceship, or something entirely new, then Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is definitely worth considering. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.